Welcome. My name is Manuel, and today I'm going to do my second video about my road to do the entire LeetCode live recording my solving problem skills, and you can ride along and see how I improve and how come I figure out all these exercises. There are so many. It's impressive. I can look here my progress. I have 2 of well, that's going to take a while. And I just realized these 2 exercises I already made, they are good, but they are not in the best possible solution, and I would like to try a better solution for them. So I'm going to go to this one first, running sum for one day array. So the thing with this exercise is that you have an array and you have to return another array or the same array with a little change. You have to sum the past number plus the current number. So this 3 is 1 plus 2, this 6 is 3 plus 3, and this 10 is 6 plus 4. So my older approach is to create a new array and send a new array. But I realize, looking here at the discussion and looking at the answers, is I don't have to create a new array. That's wasted space of memory. I'm using the array I already have. So I'm going to do that. So for that, I'm still going to loop through the array with this exact same condition, but I'm not using new array. I'm using the nums array they are sending me, nums, and I'm not going to push anything. I'm going to just loop through that array in E equals to nums in E plus nums in E less 1. But I have to start in 1 because I start in 0 and then I have E less 1 here. Is not going to work. So let's do this, nums, and I don't see this thread means I'm making a mistake, or it's like just helping me to see this task that return. I think this is an extra. Okay, that's good. Now I know red is bad. And I'm going to check this and see how it is. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so this error means I'm missing a parenthesis. Okay, yeah, I'm doing that. Oops, what is this? This thing here has nothing to do here. So it's done. Looks like the run is successful. I'm going to submit, and that's way better than before. I am now faster than 91% of the people, and I can see here in my submissions here, my runtime before in comparison with yesterday is a little bit faster. I have more memory, which is weird. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's just faster. Faster is equal to better, but I don't know how I'm using more memory. That has to be some kind of bug or something. Anyway, I'm happy with that. I'm going to go to the next one. Problems. I am picking the easy ones first, and then this one, the kid with the greatest number of candies. So first, this was an amazing variable, but now I see it's red, and I know red is no bueno. Yeah, probably also because I am not defining that variable const. Yeah. Okay, so in this exercise, I have to find all the kids who can have the maximum number of candies. I give them an extra candy or some extra candies. And my approach here was found the kid with the biggest amount of candies, and then loop again and compare, see each kid plus the extra candies is equals or bigger than the kid. And that approach is good, in my opinion. Not very good in the results because I was like better than 10% of the people. So I want to improve that. So the first thing here is that to find the max, the kid with the max amount of candies, I don't really need to find it myself. There is already a library for that, so I'm going to do that. And this is just gone. Yeah, so this is const equals the greatest candy grid kid is equals to the max candy here, max number. So I'm going to do math that max, and then I have to put the array with candies. But candies is an array, so max accepts like a dot 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 to put the entire, like all the elements of the array as items in this max function. So this is pretty useful. It's new to me, and see, I'm okay with this. This should work. This is showing me this red. I don't know. See, I don't have the library math, or is math like math or math? Math. Let's try. Let's run the code and see. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to try that. So now I'm better. That's an improvement. Like compared to yesterday, I am 8 milliseconds faster, which good for the people who made these libraries, because I have no idea how they do it. Like, I mean, it's just looping on arrays, O(n), and is not organized. So probably they organize it and then find the biggest one. And I'm not sure. Okay. Now I'm going to improve this. First, this variable. Oh, this variable is staying. I like it. I like it too much. The greedy kid who wants to be the greatest candy grid kid. So this is going to be the array, which I'm going to return. And I'm doing this in this for loop. But I just realized also I have an even better thing for this. It's another amazing tool of JavaScript, who is map. So map will allow me to get the okay, so first I have to take the candies array, that map, and then here I'm going to have the the variable x, let's say. I'm going to do an arrow function. Now let's go to candy. Candy. And the arrow function will lead me to ask a question. The question is this same question here. I already have it. By the way, candy is, this is not the right way of writing candy. Don't do that way. Yeah. So let's correct this thing, candy. I'm going to delete all of this. And that's all, I think. Let's try that. Run code. And that looks good too. Yay! Yay for JavaScript and their madness. So submit. And looks like the same. Yeah, I did the same thing in 2 different ways, which is kind of fun. Yeah. So, you know, this entire thing of code is the same as this map. A lot of fun. Let's try const. Maybe const is a little bit better. Maybe not even doing the const. Yeah, this variable can go. And I just do candies.map in front of the return. Load the yeah, that's like, don't create even the variable. Let's run the code. That works. Let's submit. I've done that's way worse. Way worse. And faster than 28% of the people. Why? Why is this 280 and this 84? How this platform works? I'm going to submit again. I need to see if this sustains in time. Yes. What the? Okay. So this is not bueno. So the variable is better. It's the same thing. Okay. Let's try this one, I suppose. Ah, this is the same as this one. Yeah, it doesn't matter really. Const and let is the same for time purposes. The memory is the same too. I don't know how this program uses 38.6 megabytes though. Anyway, okay, this is a better result than before, and I'm happy because I learned how to implement map in this problem. I am new to map, and I also learned about this mathmax library and function, and about this ... operator, who is really cool actually. Good for JavaScript madness. And that's all for today, and not for today, but for this video, and see you next time.